In Bandung, where the air is cool and the hills embrace the land, stands Xandari, a home not just built but brought to life. To become one with nature, its architecture flows with serenity.
For me, open spaces are essential. They shape how air flows naturally through the building and bring the whole space to life. That's why I believe in shaping spaces that breathe.
Letting the breeze move freely through everyday moments. At the heart of the house, water trickles gently. A still presence that soothes the soul. The design doesn't divide, it connects. Linking the living room, the pool, and the lush greenery beyond in a seamless harmony.